Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss about major important landforms produced by volcano. As I have already discussed with you that volcano is a vent through which molten materials eject, and owing to this different types of landforms are produced. लास्ट मैंने आपसे कहा था कि ज्वालामुखी विस्फोट से जो मटेरियल निकलते उनके सॉलिडिफिकेशन, उनके ठंडा होने, संघनन होने के बाद विभिन्न प्रकार की आकृतियाँ बनती, जिन्हें जियोमॉर्फोलॉजी में वॉल्केनिक लैंडफॉर्म्स या ज्वालामुखी आकृतियों के नाम से जानते हैं। आज आपको जो इम्पोर्टेंट लैंडफॉर्म्स प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय वॉल्केनोज which I have already written on the sliding board, you can just visualize it. Number first is batholith. Batholith, actually what happened? When the volcanism occur, owing to excessive temperature and pressure, these materials are in viscous stage, and viscous stage, those materials which comes out is called as lava, and which are inside the earth's surface is called as magma. A large body of magma that cools in the internal parts of the earth and which developed in dome shape, Its shape is just like as a flattened shape, is called as batholiths. It is important land features produced by the volcano, and the land features produced by volcano is different from others one. You can also take example of river, wind, and in limestone topography, that is called as karst topography, K-A-R-S-T, karst topography. And karst topography is most developed in Yugoslavia, that is nearby the Adriatic Ocean. All of you just take interest. Within a very short moment, I shall finish this topic. Second one, that is laccolith. Laccolith means a large dome-shaped intrusive bodies which are accumulated in the internal parts of the earth, connected by a pipe, and it is well linked with the help of a pipe, and that is called as laccoliths. Is it clear? First one, that is batholith, and second one is laccoliths, and third one, that is called dikes. In fact, it solidified almost perpendicular to the ground, and it is wall-like structure called dikes. कहने का मतलब है कि ज्वालामुखी को जोड़ने वाली शिराएं हैं जो वृक्ष के ये डेंड्रियाटिक पैटर्न के रूप में इनका शेप बन जाता. It is just like as a wall-like structure called dikes, and it is mostly found in western Maharashtra Deccan tract, which is the best example of dikes. These are important land features produced by the volcano. In my next class, I shall share my view on rocks, what is rocks and types of rocks, what is significance of rock, right? And one request, that you never forget to share it, like it, and subscribe it, so that your knowledge of geography may be perfect one. Thank you.